Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharmistha and this is English with Sharmistha. Today I am going to have a conversation with an 11-year-old child named Oishika. Generally I talk to her in Bengali, but today I decided that I will talk to her in English. I know she can speak English as she studies in an English medium school. So let her come and let's see how the conversation goes. So guys, this is Oishika and today we are going to talk as I said before. So let's start our conversation. So Oishika, I know you are 11 years old, but I want to ask you, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books and sometimes gardening.
Oh, you also love gardening. What books do you read?
My favorite series is the Harry Potter series.
Have you read the whole of it?
Yes,
Okay, yeah, I remember you borrowed from me and you got scolded because you were reading too much. Why do you like Harry Potter so much?
because I want to be like him.
You want to be like him, like you want to be a magician.
Yes,
You remember that he was born magician.
yes.
And what else do you like about Harry Potter?
I like that he is a born leader and he is a good friend.
Good friend of Ron
And Hermione.
and Hermione. I always forget the pronunciation because I have read the book but I haven't watched any movie of Harry Potter. But even I am a fan of Harry Potter, but you are a bigger fan than me, I think. And Oishika, tell me, have you ever done gardening or you only fancy to become a gardener?
I have done once or twice.
You have only done once or twice. You have planted a plant or
Yes.
watered the plants?
Planted and watered.
Okay. And did your plant live
Yes,
or did it die?
live.
Because you watered it only once.
No.
You water it regularly?
Yes.
Okay, good. I knew you were a good girl, but still I wanted my viewers to understand how good you are. Tell me about your aim in life. What do you want to become?
It changes every minute. Sometimes
minute.
I think that I want to become a teacher, and sometimes I think that I want to become a scientist
Okay. You also want to become a teacher sometimes.
and also a writer sometimes.
Yeah, I have read some of your poems and some of your stories. They are really good and they are very much inspired by the books you read. That's good. That's very nice of you. Okay, tell me, if you become a teacher, what subject would you like to teach?
English.
Great. At this moment, what do you want to become?
At this moment, I think scientist.
Okay. If you become a scientist, what would you like to invent?
I would like to invent something that would help in our daily lives and make our work easier.
Okay.
By becoming a scientist, I want to help the nature, means the pollution the vehicles do, and I will also want to save the nature from global warming.
Okay. You think about the environment so much. So, who told you to do so? Have they taught it in your school?
No.
So, from where you got inspired to save nature?
In December 2021, I went to Andaman
Okay.
and I saw so many cruises were polluting the water.
Okay.
After the water in Andaman is now blue, but after many years it will become blackish.
Okay. That's right. All the crews and ships and everything artificial makes the nature dirty. By means of our enjoyment and our needs, we destroy nature. So, we need something to be invented which will help to make the environment pure as well as it will help to make our life easier. Everything should go together hand in hand. That's what you want to say. So if you want that, if you become that kind of scientist, then I would love to bless you that you become a scientist and also invent something for people like me who travel a lot and so that I can fly over all the vehicles. Many people will fly then, and everyone will fly from their workplace to their home and from their home to their workplace. So it will be so easy. So if you become a scientist, try to invent something which is environment friendly as well as makes our travel easier.
I will try if I become a scientist.
If you become a scientist, then do that, please. And if you become a teacher, tell your students to read a lot and listen to a lot of English so that they can learn quickly. Do you want to become a teacher at a school or a college?
Anything.
Or you just want to teach? Doesn't matter what size of students you teach. Okay, that's very good, Oishika. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel a lot.
You like the mountains or the sea?
I like the mountains.
Oh, have you ever gone trekking?
Yes.
And have you gone on mountaineering?
Yes.
You were learning mountaineering from your father, I heard. Where did you go for mountaineering?
Panchalingeshwar in Purulia.
Panchalingeshwar in Purulia. And did you go to Himalayan Mountaineering Institute? Your father went there.
Yes.
You were planning to go there, I think.
Yes.
Yes, that's what I remember about your mountaineering skills. But this lockdown put a break on that. And do you know how to swim?
Took admission today in a swimming.
Okay, today you got admitted at a swimming pool.
Yes.
And how long do you think it will take for you to learn swimming? I think in a week you will learn swimming.
I will not go daily because I have my studies.
Oh, you will go
2 days a week.
or twice a week. That's okay. You will learn in one summer. One summer is okay
Yes.
for you.
And in my summer vacation, I have 30 days.
Oh, you have a 30 days summer vacation. That's quite long. And during your vacation, what will you do? You will do some craft or you will go somewhere?
Yes, a little bit of craft, and I will read a lot of books because my studies has put a break on it.
Okay, your studies had put break in your reading of storybooks. Okay. What are you going to read next?
Next, I think Famous Five Fall into Adventure.
Okay, Famous Five. Yes, I had read rather Famous Five. I think 3 or 4 Famous Five, but I read a lot of Secret Sevens because those were available in our school library. So that's why I read a lot of Secret Sevens and lot of Enid Blyton. And I started my reading with The Enchanted Wood. That is a very beautiful book, and I was in 5th standard when I read it. And you are in which standard?
6th.
Your session started in April. That's very good. So thanks, Ishika. I think it will turn into a good video. Let's see what happens. Let's see how it turns out. And for the first time today, we are talking in English, and I think you are completely comfortable, isn't it? Are you feeling uncomfortable or nervous? No. Nothing like that, because you study in an English medium school. So I think other children also who study in Hindi medium or Bengali medium school should learn from our conversation. That's what is the purpose. So thank you. All of you heard how Oishika was talking to me. And I hope you enjoyed this conversation. This was all for your English listening practice and also to simplify English speaking for you. You must have noticed how I and Oishika were talking in simple English. So I hope that you found this video useful and also you enjoyed watching it. If you liked the video, do like it, share it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And keep reading, listening and practicing a lot of English. And definitely do take a very good care of yourself till I come with my next video. Bye for today.